So this morning we've got this Mini Cooper S that's come to us at Tuned. The customer's brought the vehicle to us complaining of a knocking noise coming from the back end of the car. Now it's all very well and good, the customer telling me that he's got a knocking noise coming from the car, but I need to diagnose that, and the best way to do that is taking it out on a test drive, which is what I'm doing right now. Instantly I can hear that it has got a knocking noise coming from the right rear, which I'm suspecting could possibly be an anti-roll bar drop link, which is very common on these Coopers. Not only that, but we also need to really inspect the bushes. If there is a bush problem, we can diagnose that at the same time. So I'm going to head back to the unit right now, get it onto the ramp, check all the bushes, anti-roll bar drop links, and take it from there. So, as suspected, anti-roll bar drop links, just as we thought. We're going to upgrade these now to the SuperPro adjustable drop links. While we were on the test drive though, we did feel that the back end was a little bit loose. So we've noticed on the diagnostics of the car that these bushes are currently worn. We may as well save the customer some money and time and get these replaced at the same time with the SuperPro bushes. So now we've taken the original anti-roll bar drop link off the Mini. The excess play in that ball joint there is exactly what was reverberating through the anti-roll bar itself, causing that knocking noise. Now that's out of the way, we can look at the new heavy-duty SuperPro fully adjustable anti-roll bar drop links. One thing I would say is, because we're not adjusting the right height of this vehicle, I need to ensure that the length of this anti-roll bar drop link matches the same length as the original drop link on the car. So the reason I'm just replacing the bushes with the SuperPro, if you went to BMW or Mini, you can only buy this arm with new bushes as a complete unit. So why would you change the bushes and the arm when you can just fit the new SuperPro bushes on the back end? So the SuperPro bush itself, the inner material is actually bonded to the outer metal casing. It's also cross-hatched in the center, so when it's actually fitted to the arm, you're able to get a lot more pivoting. As the original, the material is actually stuck into position. Not only that, but you'll get a lifetime warranty with this bush, so you won't have to replace them ever again. So we're back out on the open road. Anti-roll bar drop links fitted, rear bushes fitted. What a difference. First things first, can you hear that noise? No, neither can I. The knocking's gone, which is exactly what we wanted. Now what I'm really impressed with about the SuperPro bushes is there's no noise, no vibration, no harshness. The back end is so compliant. You've got the confidence driving into the bends, and that's exactly what our customer wanted. It's just made this car so much fun to drive.